So I am super excited and welcome back to my channel right away. And you must be thinking where I am. I am at my new home, my new location. So I am taking you here. Like अब तक बना नहीं है. Everything is in process. It will be done in a week or so, and we are gonna shift here totally. So I'll just show you how it goes. By the way, that's my family. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'll just show you the home. Hi Nito. So this is the entry of my house, and we're gonna change it completely. And let's get inside. Now this is the hall of my room, and सब कुछ बनना बाकी है. So please ignore the mess right now. Okay. And this is the deck area, and we're gonna customize it अच्छे से, like green grass and all that stuff is gonna come here, and I'm super excited for my shoot and all because it's really happening here. Now let's see a beautiful view. By the way, this is my daddy. Bye. Hi कर बड्डा ने हम कर hi कर. अरे वीडियो चालू छे, फोटो नहीं चालू, वीडियो छे. She is like hi. बोल like, बोल like. Share this video. Okay, share, subscribe बोल. Surprise. By Dadi is telling surprise. Okay, not subscribe, but subscribe करना है आपको. Okay, so this is the view from my hall, like window. It's very green and it's very amazing. This is the dining area, and this is kitchen. The puja and everything is going on, and everything is in process. Like चलो नाश्ता के लिए. Mama is telling चलो नाश्ते के लिए. Okay, and this is Angel. She's super excited. This is my room. Yay! Okay, so we are just gonna remove this balcony area because I need more space to work on. So this will go, and it will be like bigger space. I'll get like more of space to work with. So this will be my hostel room, and I'm super excited about that. And my daddy will sleep with me, so that's not an issue because वो पूरे दिन बाहर ही रहने वाली है. This is washroom, जो common washroom है, and we have this area, and you can see a lake from here. Wait, I'll need to focus. Yeah, I hope you can see it. So it's just like normal deck area. क्या बोलते हैं मुझे पता नहीं exactly, but शायद से तो deck area बोलते हैं. And this is the master bedroom. And Angel is just exploring. Please ignore her. Okay, and this is the washroom. यहाँ पे cupboards and all आ जाएंगे ये एरिया में. And ये master bedroom की balcony, ये ऐसे ही रहने वाला है. हमने सोचा ये ऐसे ही रखना है. And जो view मैंने आपको वहाँ से बताया, this is the lake exactly. I hope you can see. I need to take care of my phone, or else it will go down. It's 15th floor up. Okay, so this is the view from the master bedroom. Yay! This is super exciting. Okay. Welcome to my new home. And by the way, our neighbors are very, very humble and polite. They're amazing. Dad is just chilling. Hi, Papa.
Hi.
તમે પણ કરો.
Hi.
Like, share, subscribe करो.
Please like, share and subscribe. Krupa Raval.
Like, share and subscribe. Like packing and moving day, and everything is almost packed. You can see this, and Angel is. Hi, Angel. And मस्ती चालू है. Dad और दादी ने. Let me show you inside. Like everything is almost packed. And this is the situation here, like more than packed.
हाँ जी मेरा सट फटिया कितनों को मार डाला हम पंजाब दी में कुड़ी सरदार नी जुत्ती मेरी है जी सारी कट दी है मैं तेरे तो भी ज्यादा वखरा स्वैग नहीं.
Yay! Hi guys! We are here. Sorry for my condition. Yeah, this is me right now. And this is Nino. And meet my angel. Have reached. So this is the situation right now. We have to set it up everything.
Hello.
Yeah. So guys, furniture is like coming in, and we are just working on it. I have scissors here, and it's still a mess, and it's like after a week almost. So this is my bedroom का जो cover होता है, and again all mess. Please ignore that. These are the beds. ये settle होके, and ये इस इसका बैग है. So yeah, lots of new stuffs coming up. I'll update you. Bye. Like in work, it's been a month almost. I'll show you whole house at maybe. So this is progress. This is how it's happening.